Okay, guys, I haven't done this and I've been trying to do it with a map, but you know, intellectual property rights and whatever, I want to avoid that. So let me just tell you, look for, a map of Oriente Antioqueño about Colombia, and you'll see that El Retiro is right after Medellin. It borders with Medellin and Envigado. And so it's a stone throws away. So you see these other towns that I've been showing you with the Christmas lights, Christmas light decorations. They're all in Oriente Antioqueño, and the furthest one out probably is El Carmen de Viboral in terms of what I have shown you with the Christmas light decoration so far. So just look at them. Guarne is borders with Medellin, so does Rio Negro, so does El Retiro, Envigado as well. But places like Marinilla and El Carmen de Viboral and La Ceja are further out. And yeah, basically that. Enjoy this one about El Retiro. Okay, guys, we're coming here from El Retiro to you. Bueno, muchachos, estamos viniendo o transmitiendo desde aquí del Retiro para ustedes. Look at this. It looks like the Eiffel Tower. Parece como la Torre de Eiffel. It looks like the Eiffel Tower. We are in El Retiro, and I'm going to be showing you this today. Estamos en El Retiro, Antioquia, Colombia, and I'm going to be showing you the lights today. Wow, look at that. I feel like I'm in Paris. Wow, mire eso. Me siento como si estuviera en París. Wow, wow, wow. Qué bacano, qué bonito. How beautiful. How beautiful. So stay tuned for more towns during this Christmas adventure here in Antioquia, Colombia. Antioquia is the state, Colombia is the country. And I will be going to different towns. So stay tuned for more. Manténganse sintonizados para más pueblos aquí en Antioquia que voy a estar mostrando con los alumbrados navideños aquí en la Navidad. Manténganse sintonizados, son sorpresas porque no sé a cuáles voy a ir, pero voy a ir. Y aquí estamos hoy. So guys, stay tuned because this is the Christmas light decoration tour here in Antioquia. I'll be going to different towns. Estaré yendo a diferentes pueblos. I'll be going to different towns, so stay tuned for more of this. But this is not the park in El Retiro. This is just the outskirts of the part of the town itself in terms of the urban town. Wow. It looks nice. Wow, qué bacano, se ve bien. Esto no es el parque seguíamos para el parque. Wow, okay, so we are here in the town of El Retiro. Estamos aquí. Look at this. They made it a pedestrian walk. It looks nice. Se ve bacano. Mira que esto lo hicieron como una caminada peatonal por la Navidad, because of the Christmas holiday season. They made this a pedestrian walk. So, wow. Let's just walk. The town is back that way. The town is back that way. The town square. But I want to come this way. Look at the restaurants. They got all these kinds of things. They made it really nice and pretty. So we'll take this walking tour. Vamos a hacer este tour caminante. Let's do this. We'll just go down one more block. Vamos a bajar una cuadra más. This is the way out of town normally, by car, by motorbike. So it's nice. Well, so much for the pedestrian thing, because a car is going down this way. But it is nice. Sí es bacano. Some of the old houses. Look at the old door there. Mira la puerta vieja ahí. Very nice. And this is a school right over here. This is un colegio. That's a school right there. And here The famous place where they sell empanadas. El lugar famoso donde siempre venden empanaditas. Wow, very nice. Hola. Very nice. I'll get some later on if they got the vegetarian option. Look at this, a shop here where they sell clothing, shirts and all of that. Mira una tienda ahí donde venden ropa y de todo. This is a restaurant and a hotel, Hotel La Antigua. Un hotel que se llama La Antigua. Hotel La Antigua. Well, looks nice inside, se ve bacano adentro, se ve bien. And the restaurant, you know, Aroma Cafe. So yeah, now we're gonna go right. We're gonna go towards the right. Vamos a la derecha, so we can spin around. Okay, so this is the way you come into the main square, to the town square. We're gonna continue walking this way. Vamos a seguir caminando hacia allá, so you can see all of this. And they got all kinds of shops, bars, restaurants, and everything. This is the Christmas time. Esta es la época navideña. Hay de todo un poquito, de tiendas, bares, restaurantes, de todo. A little bit of everything. You got a lot of loud music going on. Muy duro la música from some restaurant or bar or something, I don't know what. There's the bar, nightclubs and all whatever. Chipotle food bar, mini burritos, whatever, everything. Some people look at you funny because you're filming. Algunas personas lo ven a uno como raro porque uno está grabando. So what? ¿Y qué? I'm doing this for you guys and for me. Estoy haciendo esto para ustedes y para mí. For all of us, para todos nosotros. Travel vloggers, vloggers de viajes. Because we love to tell our story, porque nos gusta contar nuestra historia. This place over here is good for desserts, I mean for ice cream and stuff. It's right in there, right over there, allá adentro. Es un lugar bueno para helados y todo. Okay, let's go. Keep walking. Look at little doggy. Vamos a mirar, vamos a ver qué hay por acá. Vamos a ver qué hay. That's the traffic police. Esos son los agentes de tránsito. Okay, let me get out of his way. And they have many restaurants over here. Tienen muchos restaurantes aquí en este sector. You got the Barking Dog. You got Casa Pizza, Casa Montoya, whatever, Casa Dulce Postres. Got a lot of restaurants inside. Tienen muchos restaurantes aquí adentro. Look, miremos. Buenas noches. Muy bueno. Hey doggy, hola perrito. Hey doggy. There's the church. That's what the church looks like inside. Así se ve la iglesia dentro. Ahí ven cómo se ve la iglesia y el pesebre. So this is el Retiro. Esto es el Retiro. Well, hasta aquí llegamos por hoy. This is it for today. Stay tuned for another one. Quédense sintonizados para otro pueblo, for another town during this Christmas holiday season. Talk to you later. Nos vemos después. Happy holidays. Feliz Navidad. I forgot to say, las papas criollas, criolla potatoes are very good. Actually, I'm gonna eat some. 3,000 pesos, less than $1 over here in El Retiro, and you can always get them. Papa criolla. I'm gonna eat some right now. Voy a comer ya. Ciao.